Many people think that computers can only be used by highly educated people. But this is not true. An ordinary, less educated person can also learn to use computers. The word computer has been derived from the English word compute, that means to calculate. Actually, the first computer was developed to calculate only. But slowly it developed into a powerful machine which can perform different types of functions. 2. Computer is an electronic machine which works according to the user's directions and gives the desired results. Computer. 1.2. Characteristics of a computer. Did we ever think that humans would develop a machine which would be able to do a work in almost no time? Today we are using computers in almost every field. In olden times we had to waste a lot of time in searching old records, but now it takes only a few seconds and the records are right in front of us on computer screen. In fact, this wonderful machine has several characteristics that have made it an indispensable companion of humans. Let's have a look at these characteristics. Computer works at a very fast speed. It does every work easily and accurately. It can work for a long time without getting tired. Computer is an obedient machine and works exactly as per the directions given. It can repeat an action several times without getting bored. Computer always gives correct results. Computer can store a large amount of information in a very small space. 3. 1.3. Where do we use computers? Use of computers has brought a big change in our lives. No field of our life has been left untouched by the computers. The major areas where computers are used are education, art, transport, news communication, entertainment, medicine, agriculture, security, business and industry, banking, employment, sports. Now we will tell you how computers are used in different fields. 1.3.1 Computers in schools. We use computers in almost all the activities in schools. Computers are used by the students to obtain extra information, understand a concept through videos, search for the meanings of certain words, know about different agencies, learn drawing, programming etc. Teachers use computers to enhance their knowledge, explain difficult concepts to students with the help of electronic boards, making teaching joyful through animations, videos and films. They also use computers to keep records of students, prepare results etc. With computers they are able to work faster and that too with almost no error. 1.3.2 Computers in hospitals. Students working on computer in school. You remember that earlier when we went to a hospital, there were long queues involving a lot of wastage of time. Now all the work is done within minutes with the help of computers. Computers are used in hospitals to keep record of the patients, to prepare reports, to keep an inventory of the medicines present etc. A number of machines used for treatment of patients are fitted with computers. They help to detect the problem and also assist in the treatment. 4. 5. Doctor using a computer. 1.3.3 Computers in the shops. When we go to big shops to buy things, we find that the bills are prepared with the help of computers. The bill shows all the details like name of each item purchased, cost of each item and total amount to be paid. This makes payment easy, the time taken is less and everything is done in an honest way. Let's see what you have learnt. 1.1 I answer the following questions. I write down the names of 2 areas where computers are used. Blank, underscore, blank, underscore, 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 write down 2 characteristics of computers. Blank, underscore, blank, underscore, 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 blank, underscore, blank, underscore, underscore, underscore 2, fill in the blanks. Computers are used in, to keep a record of the students. Computer gives us results. 3. 1.4. Mark the following statements as true or false. I.e. Computer is an electronic machine. Computer is not used in the banks. Development of computers. Opening parenthesis, closing parenthesis. Opening parenthesis, closing parenthesis. Just like the invention of wheel brought about a revolution in the lives of human beings, invention of computers has also revolutionized the whole world. Computers have evolved in 5 generations. First 3-generation computers were quite big in size and their cost was also very high. An ordinary person could not think of buying them. First generation computer. Fifth generation computer. Fourth and fifth generation computers became smaller in size. Their working efficiency and utility also increased and the cost decreased substantially. Today, computer is within the reach of an ordinary person. 1.5. Types of computers. Technologically, we can divide the computers into 3 types: digital, analog and hybrid. Here we will talk only about the digital computers as in India we use them the most. On the basis of work and structure, digital computers can be divided into 4 types: micro, mini, mainframe and supercomputers. 6. Types of computers. Digital, analog, micro, mini, mainframe, super. 1.5.1 Microcomputers. Hybrid. Microcomputers are smallest in size. Examples are desktop, tablet and laptop. Desktop. 1.5.2 Mini computer. Laptop. Tablet. Mini computers are bigger in size than the microcomputers. Their working efficiency is much higher than the microcomputers. They are used in big offices, defense establishments, booking offices of railway and airways etc. Mini computer. 7. 1.5.3 Mainframe computer. Mainframe computers are bigger than micro and mini computers. Their working efficiency is much higher than the mini computer. They are used in very big companies and big offices where a huge amount of calculations and record keeping is required. Mainframe computer. 1.5.4 Supercomputer. Supercomputers are biggest in size. You listen to the weather forecast every day. You should know that daily weather information is given to us by the meteorological department using supercomputer. Supercomputer. 8. 1.6. Main parts of a computer. A computer has the following main parts: I. CPU. E. Monitor. E. Keyboard. CPU, Central Processing Unit. The way our heart and brain work in our body, in the same way CPU works as heart and brain of the computer. CPU processes all the commands that are given by us. Monitor. E. Monitor. The commands processed by the CPU are displayed on the monitor. It is an output device as it shows the processed information. Keyboard. It is just like a typewriter. Commands are given to the CPU by typing on the keyboard. Therefore, it is an input device. IV. Mouse. CPU. Keyboard. IV. Mouse. Mouse helps to give commands by pressing on the icons visible on the monitor. It is also an input device. Mouse. In Chapter 3 we will study how these parts function. Let's see what you have learnt. I. Answer the following questions. 1.2. How many types of digital computers are there? Blank, underscore, blank, underscore, underscore, underscore. 9. 2. Which type of computer is used by the meteorological department? Blank, underscore, blank, underscore, underscore. Fill in the blanks. 3. Is known as the brain of computer. Computers are bigger than micro and mini computers. Mark the following statements as true or false. 1.7. Microcomputers are biggest in size. Monitor works as heart and brain of computer. Switching on and shutting down of computer. Opening parenthesis. Opening parenthesis. Closing parenthesis. Closing parenthesis. Computer should be switched on and shut down in a proper way. To switch on the computer, press the following buttons in sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4. Main power switch. UPS uninterrupted power supply button. CPU's button. Monitors button. Wait till you see something on desktop screen on the monitor. Now you can work on the computer. When you finish your work, follow the following steps to shut down the computer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Click on the Start button on the monitor screen. It will look like the picture shown here. You will get an option of Shut Down. Click on this option. The computer will again try to confirm your action. Again click on the option OK. When the screen gets clear and the mouse and keyboard light switches off, switch off the UPS. Finally switch off the main power button. 1.0. 1.8. Precautions. Till now we have studied about characteristics, uses and main parts of computers. Now we will study some of the precautions to be taken while using computers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch on and shutting down of computer should be done properly. Don't keep eatables near the computers. Protect the computer from dust and dampness. Do use a UPS with the computer so that a sudden power failure does not cause loss of your work done. Let's see what you have learnt. Answer the following question. 1.3. Write down the steps in correct order to be followed to start a computer. Blank, blank, blank. 2. Fill in the blanks. Blank, blank, blank. Blank, blank, blank. Blank, blank, blank. Computer should be switched on and shut down in a manner. Computer should be protected from. Let's revise. Computer is an electronic machine which gives desired results of the work for which the user gives instructions. Computer can work very fast. It can work for a long time without getting tired and gives desired results. Today we use computers in almost every field like agriculture, booking of tickets in railways and airways etc. 11. 12. Computers are of three types: digital, analog and hybrid. Main parts of computers are CPU, monitor, keyboard and mouse. We should switch on and shut down the computer carefully. Always keep in mind the precautions that should be observed while using a computer. Based on their structure and functions, computers can be divided into four types: microcomputers, mini-computers, mainframe computers and supercomputers. CPU, Central Processing Unit, is also called the brain of the computer. UPS, uninterrupted power supply, helps computer to keep working even when the power goes off. Monitor, this is the main output device. It shows the input data and the processed results on its screen. Mouse, it is the input device through which instructions are given to the computer. Keyboard, it is an input device through which data is fed into the computer. Exercise I. Choose the right option. What is the full form of CPU? A. Central Processing Unit. B. State Processing Unit. C. Central Primary Unit. State Primary Unit. E. Which type of computer is used by the meteorological department? A. Supercomputer, microcomputer. C. Mini-computer, mainframe computer. E. What type of machine is computer? A. Electronic. B. Battery operated. C. Electrical, electromechanical. 2. Fill in the correct word in the blanks. Computer is a machine. E. Is known as computer's brain. E. Name of the biggest computer is 3. IV. Mark the following statements as true or false. E. Computer has its own brain. We can play games on a computer. E. We should eat food while working on a computer. IV. Monitor is an output unit. We can use computers in limited areas. Match the pictures with their names. IV. Opening parenthesis, closing parenthesis. 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 Monitor, mouse, CPU, keyboard. 13. We answer the following questions. What is a computer? Blank, 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 How many types of computers are there? Blank, 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 What was the size of the first generation computer? Blank, 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 IV. What are the main parts of a computer? Blank, blank, blank underscore blank underscore underscore underscore. What precautions should we follow while using a computer? Blank underscore blank underscore underscore underscore. Blank underscore blank underscore underscore underscore. Answer. Let's see what you have learned. 1.1. I. 2. I. E. I. E. For treatment of patients in hospital, for keeping records of students in school. Computer works with a very fast speed. Computer always gives correct results. School. Correct. 14. 15.3. I. 1.2. I. Digital computers are of four types: A. Microbe, Mini C, Mainframe, Super E. Supercomputer 2. I. CPU E. Mainframe 3. Put correct. Or cross. I. 1.3. Right sequence of switching on a computer is to press I. Main power switch E. UPS. Button E. CPU's button IV. Monitors button 2. I. Correct. E. Dust exercise I. A 2. I. Electronic E. CPU. E. Supercomputer 3. I. False E. True E. False IV. True V. False. IV. I. House. E. CPU. E. Monitor. V. I. IV. Keyboard. Computer is an electronic machine which gives desired results for the commands given by the user. E. Computers are of three types: digital, analog and hybrid. E. First generation computers were very big in size. IV. Computer has four parts: CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse. VA. Computer should be switched on and shut down in a proper way. B. C. Eatables should not be placed near the computer. Computer should be protected from dust. Let's do and learn. Go to a bank in your area and see how they are doing bank's work using computers. 16. 2. Working of computer.